Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down in the description in the video. And today, we're going to give you very huge news happened today to the crypto market, guys. You need to be focused with us and try to watch everything because we're going to give you a lot of data in that video. So make sure to watch everything. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, yes, you, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all so like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is it down in the description of that video, because in Telegram you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family. Guys, as you see today, it happened a big red candle here, and also we've been waiting for that candle because as you remember that about 2 weeks also we've been flat here, and also we've been waiting that move to start. And what I told you here in the daily, in the last videos, I told you something here very important here. I told you like that we got here an inside bar here and here in the top, yes or no, from that red candle here. That's where we used to be. Today the market is showing us it's breaking here, but it's showing down here as if the market he couldn't break down here that level of 26k. So what that indicating? It's indicating just one thing: market is going to fall down, guys. I tell it that to you, and I been tell you where exactly us we are waiting. People they been with us, they remember that when we touch here the 50 moving average, we tell it to you, we told you just buy 20%, and we told you down also we are going to buy 50% from our capital. The other 50% we are going to leave it if it dump more than that. But one thing, guys, that dump is going to be just for short term. It will not be for long term. So you need to be focused about that. Here, as we said, we got here a triangle like that. As you see it, at the triangle, as we said, like that. Now it's getting broke here. That one, it's very simple to calculate in the target of it. It just came here like that, and in the place where it's getting broke, you do it like that. It's going to fall down here to that level between 23k till 24k. We show you all those things before, but it's okay. Let me repeat it again because that one you need to know it exactly when you need to buy, guys. Also, we've been showing you all those things before, but it's okay to repeat it because I know some people they just came now, some people they just found in our channel now. So if you are one of them, hit that like button. As we said, we got here like that how we draw it us in the first days. We said we got here an up channel, we touching the top of it here, and now also we are going to touch the lower of it here. As you see it, the lower maybe is going to be here, maybe we're going to stay sideways here till we're going to touch it, because as majority of you didn't know, Bitcoin when it's falling it doesn't fall down by power, but when it's going up it go up by power. Very rare it fall down by power unless if there is a major news. So now as you see everything in front of you, and here let me show you that one here. Today that candle it's breaking the 100 moving average, so the next target is it down here at the 200 moving average. Yes, we got here a level. I tell it to you, you need to be focused about it, that 24k. But me personally, I think also we are going to go to touch here that 200 moving average. Why? Because even if you came here and you drawing that triangle here like that one will getting broke today, and you came and you doing the take profit of it, you do it like that, and in that place where it's getting broke you do it like that. As you see, it is going to touch it here because that one it will not stay in his place, it will even that one move a little bit, so it's going to be touch here between 24 till 23k, guys. And from here we're going to make a big jump. That way I told you start to buy slowly those days. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's going to see the coming news for today for pictures to get more clear to you. So let's go in there. The coming news for today, as you see it, we don't got major news here. The only one is that one here. is the GDP of the first quarter, as you see it. That one you need to be focused about it. Then pending home sales, initial jobless claim. Those one doesn't got a major impact to the market. The only thing here is our friend, that one here, who got a big dilemma today, as you see it. And I'm going to explain to you everything why all that's happening, guys. Look at US stocks. We tell it to you in Monday. If you've been with us from Monday till today, you are in very, very nice profit. We tell it to you. We tell you in Monday, all your stocks, they are going to be red. And look at them. Everything is red. Yes or no? We are going to explain to you why that. And here, our friend, the VIX, look at it. Also today, we break 20, guys. That means scarcity is go back to the market. Why scarcity is go back to the market? And if you are a stock investor or you are a stock investor or trader, you see it today. There is two big daily candles falling down in your stock. Why currencies go back? Because of two things. The Fed member minute meeting today, or FOMC minute meeting, plus the debt ceiling deal. Those ones the most important things till now they haven't sorted out yet. And we're going to go to them. Then we got some news for you here. So let's go in there. So those ones, the things you need to focus about is the GDP will come in today, plus that one here. You see it or no? That one what me I'm talking about. Look here at that article here. They talking here, over here. They talking here in that meeting yesterday about the members of the Fed. They are divided. Some of them they said they need to pause in June. Some they said no, but all of them they came to one thing, as you see it here. What they saying? They said they are going to increase interest rate more 2 times at this year, and that I don't know what can we said. That one we finished from it. We got something else for you. Is it that one? Why the market it fall down today? As you see it, look here with me here in that article here. The market it fall down today because UK inflation and that one that Janet Yellen warned about US debt ceiling statement sent price railing on Wednesday, because she said they will not have capital or cash by the 1st of June. That one is a very, very, very big dilemma. Plus here, look here, add that what we've been talking about the Fed members. Even that one you need to be focused about it, guys. But we got very, very, very bullish news today. Let me show it to you. The bullish news we got is that one. What CZ tweet in Twitter. He said CCTV China Central Television just broadcast crypto. It's a big deal. The Chinese speaking community are buzzing. Historical coverage like this led to a bull run. When CZ talk, he know what he talking about, guys. Look at that one. Very, very, very important. CZ said when something came like that, it's led to a bull run. Yes, him down. He said it's not a financial advice, but what he's saying, it makes sense, guys. Everything is too clear. Another thing, let me show it to you. That one here, look at it. The number of addresses, guys. Look here. That one you need to be focused about it very, very, very well. Over 1 million Bitcoin addresses with at least 1 Bitcoin. Over 4.3 million addresses with at least 0.1 Bitcoin. Over 12 million addresses with at least 0.01 Bitcoin. That's what it led us, guys. People, they are accumulating at this time. People, all of them, they know something major is coming. That way us we bring it for you here. Another news, let me show it to you. That one here. China launched a government-backed metaverse platform. Even that one is a very, very, very huge news. Why? Because China. Because China, it's being banned the crypto, guys. Now they go back and they open everything for crypto market. And China, all of us, we know it is a very, very, very huge and big market, guys. Everything is too clear. Now, let's go into the 4 hours, guys, to see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Here in the 4 hours, people, they being with us for swing trading. They remember all that what me have been telling you. Me enter a long from here. Yes or no? Like that. I put stop loss down here. Yeah, no, it hasn't been hit. And enter a short I show you why I enter the short. I enter the short because the break of the tails of those candles here. Yes or no? Here. Where did I put the stop loss? Here. Exactly here. The market, it went up till here. It hasn't hit in my stop loss. Now, the market, it fell down till down here. At that level here. What I told you in yesterday video. People, they haven't entered with us. I told you, look at that. We got here a very clear price action like that. Yes or no? I told you we got here a triangle. The triangle is getting broke here. Look at it. It fell down till here. Now at that level where we are, what we got, guys? People, they been with me. They remember that. What we got here. Look with me here. If you came here in the top and you came here down, what you got? What you got here, guys? I'm talking to you. What we got? A very, very, very clear flag, guys. Look at it. You see it or no? It's a very, very, very clear flag. That one, how we trade it? If we're breaking down here, that means the market is going to fall down. If we're breaking above here, that means the market is going to go up, guys. Now what should you do? You wait in the market either to break here, that level here, or either to break down here. You see it how I done it or no? That one, and that one. Down here, that one, and that one. You waiting where is the market is going to be broken now. That the only and the final price action you need to be focused about. Exactly where it's going to be broken. And the take profit for that one is very simple how to make it. You just came here, that line, that one. If we're breaking down, you put it like that down. If we're breaking up, you put it like that up, guys. Everything is too clear. Let's see our other indicator. What it's saying? Our indicator, you remember what we said yesterday when we used to be here? We said, yes, it's breaking here, that level here. That one here. That's what else we said. But what me I told you here at that level here? Because I told you, look at the market where it is. Is it here? I told you, it fall down here. I told you it need to come from here and to break for us. That last high, you can find all that analysis in our last video, guys. Did it break it? No. Look what happened. It fall down. It's breaking down here. So what that indicating? It indicate till now the bulls, they still very, very, very weak. And that one here is just a manipulation from market makers, guys. That's it. All that bull run here, that small bull run, is just a market maker manipulation. Also, we're still in a downtrend, guys. There is nothing changed. Everything is too clear. Let's see our other indicator. What is it saying here? That one here, you got now here a small divergence, guys. Here, you got a small divergence. So do we follow it and we enter long? No, there is no entry long. Our indicator, yes, is it here at the oversold area level. Also, we are in a very, very stronger supply and demand zone. You see me how I draw it? But till now, also we need to wait in the break of that flag here. That one here, look at it, how clear it is and how I'm going to draw it here. That flag here, where it's going to be broken. If it's broken down here, you do it like that. If it's broken up, that means also we are going to go back up here. If it's breaking down, the market is going to go till 23,250. As you see it, how I show it to you down. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. By the way, yes, I know you are a subscriber and you've been with us for some time. Did you smash the like button? You haven't. Why, my friend? Pause the video now, smash the like button, writing down a comment, support us. You know that channel without you it can growing up, so please go ahead and do it. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. So here what else we said in the last video, we said we got here a flag like that. Like that's how I show it to you exactly here. And I told you if it's broken down here, enter short, where is getting broke here. So we'll have you enter short from here. If you just watching our last video, guys, we'll have you enter short from here. Another thing I tell it to you here, I told you came here down to those ones like that, and you're drawing a trend line like that. Where is that trend line getting broke? Here, look at it. So from here, we'll have you enter short and you go till down here. Now, at that level where we are here, did we got any price action here telling us we need to enter long? No. We don't got nothing here at this time telling us we need to enter long. You can make something like that, but that one it's not yet. As you see it, that one it's not yet. You can't draw in here a flag now because it's not yet. It's need to fall down to touch it here down. Then after that to go back up. So now what you should do here in 30 minutes, we don't got any price action yet. You need to wait in more, guys. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator what it's saying here in 30 minutes. Our indicator is telling us we are here at the oversold area. Should we enter short? By the way, the people they enter short, they enter from here. Now at that time here, they need to take profit or to still holding if the Bitcoin is going to fall down more. For the long, should you enter long here? No, we don't got any price action here telling us we need to enter long. Unless if in the coming hours and coming minutes, market give us here a price action, that's another story. But at this time, there is nothing here telling you need to enter long. Everything is too clear? So, that's it for that video. And please, guys, don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.